Want to pass your DMV driving test? Learn these 40 most crucial US road signs, and passing the driving test is guaranteed. Let's get started. Name this traffic sign. A. Yield sign ahead. B. Stop sign ahead. Right. It is the yield sign ahead sign. What does this sign mean? A. No stopping. B. Temporary no stopping. Well spotted. It is the no stopping sign. Identify this road sign. A. School zone. B. School crosswalk ahead. Perfect. It is the school crosswalk ahead sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Roundabout. B. Roundabout circulation. Plaque. Right. It is the roundabout sign. What is this road sign? A. Yield at roundabout. B. Yield sign. Well spotted. It is the yield sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Traffic signal photo enforced. B. Traffic signal ahead. Excellently. It is the traffic signal ahead sign. Guess this road sign. A. School bus stop ahead. B. Bus station. Right. It is the school bus stop ahead sign. Identify this road sign. A. Side road, left. B. T intersection. Correct. It is the T intersection sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. School zone. B. Playground zone. Exactly. It is the playground zone sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Cattle crossing. B. Bison area. Right. It is the cattle crossing sign. Guess this road sign. A. Lorries prohibited. B. No trucks. Well spotted. It is the no truck sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Swing bridge. B. Drawbridge ahead. Right. It is the drawbridge ahead sign. What is this road sign? A. Steep grade hill. B. Slow moving vehicle. Right. It is the steep grade hill sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Uneven surface. B. Dip sign. Perfect. It is the uneven surface sign. Identify this road sign. A. Narrow bridge. B. Narrow underpass. Exactly. It is the narrow underpass sign. Guess this road sign. A. Turn right. B. Curve right. Right. It is the turn right sign. Guess this road sign. A. Emergency vehicle. B. Slow-moving vehicle. Good observation. It is the slow-moving vehicle sign. Identify this road sign. A. Two-way bicycle lane crossing. B. Bicycle and pedestrians. Well spotted. It is the two-way bicycle lane crossing sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Truck route sign. B. Truck entrance. Perfect. It is the truck route sign. Identify this road sign. A. Offset side roads. B. Double side roads, right. Correct. It is the double side roads, right. What is this traffic sign? A. Reverse curve, left. B. Reverse turn, left. Right. It is the reverse curve, left sign. Guess this road sign. A. Height restriction ahead. B. Truck height limit. Excellently. It is the truck height limit sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Slow sign. B. Stop sign. Perfect. It is the slow sign. Name this road sign. A. Keep right. B. Keep right of obstacles. Right. It is the keep right of obstacles sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Litter container. B. No littering. Well spotted. It is the litter container sign. Guess this road sign. A. Hill, bike. B. Bicycle slippery when wet ahead. Right. It is the hill, bike sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Bear crossing sign. B. Bear area. Well spotted. It is the bear crossing sign. What does this sign mean? A. State bicycle route. B. Bicycle route marker. Correct. It is the bicycle route marker sign. Guess this road sign. A. Hospital. B. First aid. Right. It is the hospital sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. One way, left. B. One way, right. Well spotted. It is the one-way, right sign. What is this road sign? A. Bump. B. Uneven surface. Exactly. It is the bump sign. Guess this road sign. A. Flagger ahead. B. Detour ahead. Right, it is the detour ahead sign. Identify this road sign. A. No right turn for trucks. B. No right turn on red. Excellently, it is the no right turn for trucks sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. No all-terrain vehicles. B. No snowmobiles. Good observation. It is the no snowmobile sign. Guess this road sign. A. Straight through and left turn. B. Straight through and right turn. Right. It is the straight through and left turn sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Reverse curve, right. B. Reverse turn, right. Well spotted. It is the reverse turn, right sign. Name this road sign. A. Passenger only, ferry terminal. B. Vehicle ferry terminal. Right, it is the vehicle ferry terminal. What is this traffic sign? A. Rough pavement ahead. B. Right shoulder drop-off, ahead. Exactly. It is the rough pavement ahead sign. Guess this road sign. A. Curve, left. B. Turn, left. Well spotted. It is the turn left sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Bike lane. B. Motorcycle plaque. Right, it is the bike lane sign. Well done making it to the end. If you want to ace your DMV driving test with ease, subscribe now for more up-to-date road signs guides and study materials. Click on the videos on your screen to keep boosting your chances of passing. Keep practicing, and we will see you in the next session.